Hi, hope you're having a great day. So, today in the interesting stock series, we'll talk about one more stock which can be tracked, which can be observed, and which can also be, invested in, but you have to watch for, some time. Also, I'm not your advisor, so you have to talk to your advisor before you invest in this. Also, you can open your account with us also. I open accounts for IIFL Securities. I'm the authorized person for that. So you can open your account with me also, and collectively we can make a profile and portfolio for you. The other thing is that I also open accounts for HDFC Securities, but there I am just the referral partner. Okay, all that done. Okay, so now we'll talk about this stock, which debuted actually in the financial year of 2023, actually exactly in June 2022. And since then, the stock has actually done well. If I look at the chart for say 1 year, then 1 year back, exactly on 1st March, this stock was at 55 rupees, and today it is trading at 76 rupees. Okay, now this is Paradeep Phosphates Limited. Okay, now this, the name says, it is a manufacturer of non-urea fertilizers and India's second largest private sector phosphatic company. Okay, the company is engaged in manufacturing, trading, distribution, and sales of a variety of complex fertilizers like DAP, three grades of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, which is NPK. With those who have this kitchen gardens or something like that, they know this NPK deadly formula, which is a good formula for good, अच्छी फसल के लिए काम आता है. So NPK 10, NPK 12, NP 20. Company is as old as 1981. This was a government of India and it was a joint venture between Government of India and Republic of Nauru to set up facilities for diammonium phosphate at Paradeep in Orissa. In 1993, this the Republic of Nauru disinvested in this company, and then it came wholly under Government of India. After IPO in 2023, financial year 2023, which is in June, Zuari Agrochemicals and OCP Group now hold 56.1% of the stake in the company. It has two manufacturing plants at Paradeep. Now, this is a very old company. Okay, so now it's nicely settled in and it has its channels also, distribution channel, as I said, is also in that. Okay. They have large parcels of land of around 2,282 acres in Paradeep, and only 33% of the land is so far utilized. Okay, so they can expand further. Okay, the scope of expansion. They source their, because India doesn't have so many of phosphatic rocks, so they import these rocks from other countries, and then they process this phosphorus from them. It has presence in Odisha, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, central and eastern part of UP, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. This is a fertilizer related thing and all that. So agriculture is not doing that well, but because these chemicals and all stocks are generally picking up. In FY23, PPL completed a 1,500 crore IPO, during which GOI disinvested its remaining 20% stake also in the company. So this is about the company. Okay, so now if I talk about the stock, market capitalization of the company is around 6,191 crore rupees, and the current price is, like today, it is a little down, 76 rupees. ROC of the company is 11%, and ROE is also 11%. Book value is 42 rupees. Okay, face value of the stock is 10 rupees. Okay, so as I said that this stock has been on the rise in this 1 year from 54 rupees to this current 76 rupees. And if I look at from the IPO price, IPO time, from 43 rupees to now this level. Okay, so this has gone up and it is backed by volumes also. If I compare it with the peers, it is placed decently below GSFC, and otherwise, of course, there are Coromandel International, there is National Fertilizer, then there is this RCF. These companies are better than, they have better ROCs than this company. This is also a small cap companies, smaller, than these other companies. If I look at the quarter results, then also in the September quarter, the profit was, I'm talking about the profit now, the profit was around 89 crore rupees, and then it rose up to 109 crore rupees in December 23. Okay, so like, and before that, it was now if you talk about say June quarter of 2023, it was in minus. Okay, June quarter was actually bad for them. It was around say 119 crore rupees. This is in minus. This is the first time that it went down that much. But then again it climbed to 89 crores in September 2023, and then in December 23 it went up to 109 crore rupees. Okay, now if I talk about the yearly thing, then in March 2022, the profit was around 398 crore rupees, which was higher than March 2021 when it was around 223 crore rupees. Then in March 2023, it came down a little bit to 304 crore rupees. TTM is around 88 crore rupees. If you look at this March 2022 वाला जो yearly result है इनका profit वाला, there it went up to 398 crore rupees. Now that is the best profit that it reported ever. And if you remember, in June they came out with the IPO. Okay, now this was the proceeds of the IPO were spent to fully acquire their Goa plant. They also have a Goa plant, so they with that the money which they raised from the IPO that went on to that helped them acquire that Goa facility. Okay, so return on equity is 11 to 14%. For last 3 years, it's 14%, and last year it was around 11%. Okay, so assets of the company have kind of grown post IPO, no pre-IPO, and then they came down a little bit. By this is not the data till September 2023, like from 10,658 crore worth assets to it came down to 9,006 to 6 crore rupees worth. We are awaiting let the March results come in. It's full month to go actually, more than that. Okay. Okay, now if I look at the shareholding pattern, then promoters have 56%, as I said earlier. The second highest are the DIIs, who hold around 22.2%, and then the next are the public, which holds 16.8% of the share in the company. So this is Paradeep Phosphates. You can look at this stock and keep an eye and keep this on your radar. Because it's nicely valued, and it's also a fertilizer and chemical related stock if you are looking for something like that, because other stocks in this segment are a little very expensive actually. Okay, so now this is this interesting stock which I am doing this series on. I'm getting good response on that. Also, I said that I'll be making a profile of 5 to 6 stocks which should be in every portfolio. So I'll make that video in my next outing. Outing is like in the meaning that when I'm not doing my work. So wait for that video. That video will definitely come. In the meanwhile, we'll continue this interesting stock series. The market is a little volatile, and the dips should be bought, as I always say. And also, be choosy and be picky when you buy a stock. Look at the company profile, and also not only looking at the quarter. Some quarter may be a little bit for a good stock, but that doesn't mean you sell the stock. Okay, but keep an eye on the company profile. There was one question which I'm forgetting actually. That was, I think, on Dixon. Okay, somebody has kind of bought it at around 6,300, something like that. What exactly was the question? I don't know. I forgot. But the thing is that Dixon is a good stock. Today it is again up. They have now got new orders also, and they are also getting into manufacturing of washing machines, and also, and they're also in talks with a Chinese company to manufacture mobile for them. They are in talks. We don't know where they are headed, but they are in talks. So Dixon is a good stock. It's a long-term stock. Otherwise, if you want to book a profit, you can book a profit in the same. So I'll end my video here, and I'll see you soon in my next video. And keep investing and stay positive of the India story. And yes, the links to open your Demat account with me, with my name, under my name, or if you want to continuously, you can talk to me also when I'm your RM. So you can click on the link below in the description box and open your account, and voila, I'll be your RM. Okay, there's one more thing. Someone was asking me, if an NRI clicks on the links below, then they can't open. Yes, that is true. You have to call me on the number given, because if you are an NRI, then I'll open your account, because the documents are different and the process is completely different. For that, you need your RM support. So if you click on the links, they will not work. So you call me, and I'll give you the link, or you have to share your documents with me. This is for the NRIs one, not the NRIs, PIU, and all that stuff. Others who live in India, who are Indians, they can click on the links and they can directly open their account by uploading the documents which you will be guided towards. Okay, so adios for this video, and I'll see you soon, and have a great day.